Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Zendesk CRM notifications for sales, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable Zendesk CRM notifications for sales, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin panel located in the sidebar. In the admin panel, look for the section labeled Business Rules. Within Business Rules, click on Triggers. You will see a list of triggers currently set up in your account. Find the specific trigger that sends notifications related to sales. Click on the trigger to edit its settings. In the trigger settings, locate the section that determines the notification action. You may see options such as Notify Group, Notify User, or similar wording. To disable notifications, you can either uncheck the box or remove the action entirely. After making your changes, scroll down to locate the Save button. Click Save to apply the changes to the trigger. Next, return to the Business Rules section. Look for automations and click on it. Review the list of automations for any that might also send sales notifications. Follow the same process to edit or disable any unnecessary automation notifications. Once all desired triggers and automations are adjusted, you can exit the admin panel. Your changes will take effect immediately, stopping sales notifications in Zendesk CRM. Make sure to monitor your notifications to ensure they've been successfully disabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.